guys, so since McCain has decided to discontinue Pizza Pockets in Canada, or at least that's what I've heard, I've decided to make vegan Pizza Pockets. Yeah. Guys, today we're making vegan Pizza Pockets. So, we've got this veggie ham, mozzarella Daiya cheese, some flour, of course some vegan egg replacer. Of course you gotta start off with some flour. Definitely add some egg replacer. And a definitely helpful tip, if you want to add some nutritional yeast, gonna make it so yummy. It's gonna be kind of cheesy on the breading. Now don't forget to add water. Make sure to mix it all up together. Some spices, some salt, some paprika, and definitely some garlic. I'll put in more because I love garlic. Now you can't forget some oil. Olive oil, of course. Piece by piece, you're going to want to roll the dough into a beautiful shape like this until you have a bunch like this. Time for the toppings! Ketchup, cheese, veggie ham, and more cheese. You can also tear it up a little bit just so it's more spaced out. And now these are ready to go into the oven for about 15 minutes at 350. Now here we go, vegan Pizza Pockets, fresh out of the oven. Aren't they delicious? You see that? The cheese has already melted outside of it. Look at that beauty. You see that dip right there? That's gonna be for this bad boy. If you would like to find out how I made the dip that goes along with this, then I'm going to have an eye pop up right here. Now if you like that, please come back for more. Like, subscribe, and be sure to tell your friends. I swear it's not a chore. Love you guys, bye.